Hi, my name is Adam Yitzi. I'm from PWI in Napanee, Indiana, and I'm here to demo this Cobot Welder and try it out to see if it's something that we can add to our company for beneficial use. I do not have any robot or automation experience at all. Yeah, we have a couple machines at the shop, but I've never personally ran anything. So yeah, I've been here for about an hour now, I think, and I'm coming from a background with no robotic experience at all. I don't even have a computer in my house, and in about an hour's time, the last part I was fully able to program myself and do it all myself, and I loved it. I mean, it was probably one of the easiest things I've ever been able to learn in such a short amount of time. But yeah, I would advise anybody, if you're looking at getting a Cobot Welder or something, to check with these guys and go with Hirebotics, because it's awesome. And my experience here was great. I loved it, and they're very friendly people. I've been welding pretty much right out of high school I welded for about 9.5 years. And I would say, weld-wise, I mean, I always considered myself a good welder, but the welds that this thing can do, I mean, blows me out of the water. Yes, we do not have one of these on our floor. We came here to look at one to decide if we want to purchase one. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm sold on it. I would have one of these on my floor Monday if at all possible.